Hello and welcome. My name is Bradleymayerharman, and today I have the opportunity of sitting down with Darrin Davidson. Darrin's running for mayor in the town of Orangeville. Thanks for being here today.
Hey Brad, good to see you. Yeah.
So today we specifically want to address old debates, specifically something that may have been approved in the past by council, and what would be a circumstance where you would want to bring something that had already been decided back to the table.
Well, I'm sure everyone's said this. It's about the policing file. And why do I bring it up? Is because clearly, if you listen to the townspeople, the citizens, it's unresolved. Why is that? Because we didn't have the proper leadership in the past to properly manage this file. What does that mean? It means we didn't get all the information. We didn't get the information presented to us in the proper manner, and from both sides. When you talk about unresolved issues, the OPP versus OPS is a major one. So why is it major? Is it because of emotion? Because we want our hometown guys around? No, because what's on the table is incredible savings. Now, is it all about the money? No. But certainly when we address this issue, we have to take an approach where it's evidence-based and it's sort of a business approach. A lot of emotion was riled up. Some would say dog whistle politics to support a certain side of the argument. As mayor, I'll make sure that that does not occur. I'll make sure that when we bring and we deliberate to this issue, the evidence will be laid out on the table. Again, it'll be evidence-based, and we'll be making a decision for a business case. It's almost as if we have a brand new contract and OPP, OPS, and whoever else has not existed. Here's the opportunity, show us the contract, and we will pick the one that's best fitted or suited for Orangeville.
Very good.
Yeah.
Well, thanks for your insight on this particular issue. And if you'd like to see more of what Darrin has to say, please do take a look at the links below. And thanks for watching.